Student, today we are going to continue with the table tag. Already we have drawn the simple tag or simple table. Already we learned. All of you have done also some of the question I gave you. Today let learn little ahead of table tag. That is, we will learn the concept of merge in table. Okay, so merge is what? Merge is either we can mix up the row or mix up the column. Merging means mixing up or combining or joining two rows or two columns. That is the concept of merge. Fine, students. So I am drawing a table here in front of you. You please see them so that you will be able to understand. Okay, so what is merge? So first I am drawing here the previously done table only I am drawing here. So I have made here roll number, name, and we made marks. Fine, students. But here what I am doing, after writing roll number, name and mark, I am dividing the mark into three parts. Suppose there are three subjects. I want to make it like this: English, math and science. Fine, students. So it means roll number, name are independent. They don't have any partition, but mark has three partitions. So how the boxes will be drawn, how the diagram will be drawn, it is supposed to be like this. Check, student. So fine. Here, so how many column we have? Check. And how many rows we have? Check. It has to be like this or not? Understood now? So this is the concept of merge. Now you can feed the name and all. Suppose name is ABC, mark is 40, 50 and 80. Fine, students, no confusion. I am not drawing any more record and all. Okay, so here the concept of merge is there. So where the concept of merge, let me show you. If you see here, if you notice, if you supposed to, I'll say you to count the total number of rows and total number of column. So how many rows are here and how many columns are here? How many rows? 1, 2, 3. You have to count the maximum side, students. If you count this side, then 1 and 2. So you have to count where maximum drawn has done. So 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 rows. And how many columns, students? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Understood? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 columns. Fine. So here the merging is get done where? Where? Check the roll number cell. This line supposed to be here, na? This supposed to be here, na? But then the line is not there. The line is missing here. The line is not there. It means this roll number get merged with how many cells? 2 cells, and that is row wise merge done. In this case also name, that's supposed to be line here. With this line, that's supposed to be line here. But again it get merged with what? It get merged with 2 cells. Same way, mark, if you notice, mark should have a line here and should have a line here. But it get merged with what? 3 columns. That's supposed to be 2 line here. So it means 3 columns it get merged. Fine, students. So now let me do the program. Let me do the program in front of you so that you can see and can know. So we have to start the table tag, and you can use BG color, cell padding, cell spacing. This I left on you. Okay, students, for your decoration purpose you can use BG color and all that I left on you. Then first I have to start with what? TR to make the first row. After typing TR, this is heading. Fine. So I have to make here what? TH. Understood, students? This is heading for roll number we are doing. So TH. So now after TH, what we have to write? You check this TH. Is it get merged with anything? Yes, it get merged with the next cell. Cell means kothori. This is cell. 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 Fine, students. So this is also a cell. How many cells are here? 2 cells. And it get merged. So the merge is row wise or column wise? The merge here, the roll number cell get merged. But row wise merge or column wise merge, students? It get merged to down. It means it get merged row wise. So if it get merged row wise, we have to write here TH row span. Understood the spelling? Equal to how many cell? 2 cells, so 2 you have to write. Understood? In between TH you have to write like this. TH gap row span, no gap, equal to 2. Because of 2 cell get merged. Then you have to write here roll number. Okay, after writing roll number, you end the TH. Fine, students. Now you start another TH for what? For name. Same way you have to do row span, SPAN, no gap, remember. 2. Then what you have to write? Name. Then what you have to write? TH. Understood? Till this we reach. Now what we have to do? English, math? No. We have to do marks, because marks is the first thing. So for doing mark, we have to write TH. Then what I have to write here? Row span? No, row span? No, students, not row span. Why? Because these marks get merged to column. It is not merged to down. It get merged to right side. Fine. It will get merged in column wise. So we have to write here col span. Understand properly. I am going to give you a question to do also. So I made here col span. Spelling is COLSPAN. Col span equal to 3. Then what I have to do here? Marks. Then I have to end TH. And I have to end the TR also. Row. One row is done. So I have to end also. Fine, students. So doing this, which row is done, you see? Only this part is done, you see. I lined here. This part is done. This is not done. This get merged. Only this part we need to do now. So for doing English, math, science, what I have to write here? I have to start again the TR. Fine, students. Then I have to do TH, because they are also heading. Now here no need of spanning and all. No need of row span and col span, because this did never get merged with anything. So directly TH, then English. I'm doing little faster, students, whenever needed. So TH, so that the video length will be smaller. Math. Then TH again. Understood? Another TH. There is no place. I'm doing here TH. For what? For science. For TH. Understood? Thereafter I have to end TR. Understood? In this row, in this particular line, I wrote very less. Why? Because in this particular line there are 3 columns only. These 2 columns, though, it get merged. Now we need not to write for this. That's why very less content or less coding we have to write. Understood? So after doing these 2 row, 1 row here, 1 row here, this part get done. This part get done. You can check the output. This part get done. Now we have to enter a record. So for entering a record, obviously we have to start with TR. And as we are going to record, enter the record. So we have to write TD, that is table data 101. Then end the TD. Start the TD again for whom? For name, that is ABC. I think all this you can do. Rest of the things you can do. Still I am showing you once 40. Then you end the TD. Always the ending part and starting beginning part, because as they are the pair tag, so you have to do that by remembering, students. Don't leave them. Okay. And in between, what you do when you are doing it practically, keep checking your output whether it is correct or not. Because don't try to check your output in one shot. If after completion you will say, sir, let me check after completion, you will get error. If then it is very difficult for you to rectify those errors, students. Okay, so TR I started here and I end here. So all this I made here. So how many column I made? You check. 1, TD, TD, 1, TD, TD, 2, TD and TD, 3. This is 4, this is 5, this is 6. So count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh no, 5. 1, 2, 3. Here made 40. Somewhere I repeated, I think, this one, students. So TD is here 40, TD. So this 40 I need not to do here. I repeated, sorry. So please ignore this. So how many column we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 column is there. Check. I just repeated the 40. You ignore this. Then complete. Your table is done. Then you end the table. Fine, students. And other things had HTML body I didn't wrote. So those you need to follow as the syntax is demanding. Fine. Understood the concept of merge and all. Remember, this is row merge and this is column merge. When we are merging to right side or left side, that is column merge. And when we are merging down, that is row merge. Hope all of you understood nicely the table merge technique. Okay. This is the merge technique we did today.